are 2 boxes of Totally Certified Panini. This would be NBA. This is 2013-14 season. You can see the boxes here. We're going to do 2 boxes of these tonight. I'm going to go ahead and call out the names. The Celtics, we've got Drew P. The Mavs, we've got Kyle G. The Nets, we've got Kendall R. The Rockets, we've got Brian D. The Knicks, Heath M. Grizzlies, Kendall R. 76ers, Drew P. Pelicans, Ron B. Spurs, David I. Bulls, Heath M. Nuggets, Carl O. Cavs, Gary W. T-Wolves, Gary W. Pistons, Luke C. Thunder, John H. Pacers, Ron B. Blazers, Carl O. Bucks, David I. Jazz, Carl O. Hawks, Ron B. Warriors, Kendall R. Bobcats, JPK. Clippers, Kendall R. Heat, Brian D. Lakers, JPK. Magic, Ron B. Suns, John H. Wizards, Carl O. Kings, Luke C. And Raptors, Kyle G. So let's get started with the box break, and good luck. See what we got in the first pack. First up, this would be a Jeff Green base. It'd be with the Celtics. Jason Terry base card, Celtics. We've got a Chris Bosh, the Heat base card. Got a Tom Chambers for the Suns base card. We've got a jersey card, looks like a Vince Carter for the Dallas Mavericks, and it is numbered 30 out of 99. I don't know if you can see that number or not. It's kind of tough with my camera, apologize. Number 30 out of 99. Second pack. There we go. First base card would be Kelly Olynyk. I think that's how you say it. From the Celtics. That'd be a base rookie. We'll save the autos for last. Let's go back to the base. This would be Terrence Ross for the Raptors. Terrence Ross for Raptors base. Mr. LeBron James for the Heat base. We've got a parallel. This would be Eric Bledsoe. This is a totally blue parallel. Numbered out of 49. Number 4 out of 49. Eric Bledsoe. This would be for the Clippers. And then last, we've got the auto. Celtics, Keith Bogans. Keith Bogans for the Celtics. Actually, he's in the uniform for Brooklyn, so we'll go with Brooklyn. No number, just a base auto. Next pack. One side's always a little more difficult than the other. There we go. Let's get the bases on the top. Alright, see what we got. For the Suns, Shannon Brown. Shannon Brown base for the Suns. For the Thunder, Reggie Jackson base. Got a rookie, Victor Oladipo for the Magic base, no number. Another rookie. This would be for the Lakers. This would be Elias Harris. Be a rookie base, no number. And then the autograph from this pack, Ilgauskas in his Miami uniform. Ilgauskas, Miami. Next pack. Actually, let's go to this one. Alright, first up, this would be base for the Mavericks, Jim Jackson. This would be base, Amir Johnson for the Raptors. This will be base, Carl Landry for the Kings. We've got another base card, Varieo Anderson for the Cavs. And then we've got Mr. Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant. Nice patch. I believe this one's numbered. Going to the Thunder. And it is numbered 83 out of 99. 83 out of 99. Nice. Totally blue. Alright, next pack. Like I said, one side's always a little more tough to get open. And there are the cards. We'll grab the bases, move them to the top. Let's see what we got first up. Totally red Kevin Garnett for the Nets. Actually, I think he is in his Celtics uniform, so that would go to the Celtics. And it's red, numbered 18 out of 99, Kevin Garnett. Next up, base card, Udonis Haslem for the Heat. Udonis base card. Mr. Jerry West for the Lakers, base card. Looks like we've got a rookie. Base rookie, Eric Murphy for the Bulls. And then we've got a rookie, totally silver jersey, Nerlens Noel. Didn't get to see any playing time this year. Doesn't look like he will, but maybe he'll be an exciting player next year. This one is not numbered. Last pack of the first box. Man, tough one. Maybe this is the good one. Let me get my knife. Make sure I don't cut the cards. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Well, we got one that doesn't want to come out. And I think that's it. There they are. We get the bases to the top. Always get the bases to the top. It looks like we've got an auto of some sort. So let's see what we got. First up, Chris Anderson, Birdman for the Heat. Base card. Next up, we've got Kendall Marshall, the Suns, base card. Next up, we've got, what is this? Thabo Cephalaccia for Thunder, base card. We've got a rookie. This would be Dennis Schroeder.
Daddy.
This would be for the Hawks. The rookie. Then last up, be Tony Mitchell, rookie roll call. Rookie roll call. Detroit Pistons autograph.